are Swiss, make some noise. And if you're just excited about Filipino culture, make some noise. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you, Miss Eunice.
Thank you, Miss Joy. Miss Giselle Tonji, my God. I can't believe that she's with me.
Yay! I do want to say thank you to Miss Ira. Miss Ira, thank you so much for making this possible. Nakakatuwa na makita ang mga Pilipino natin dito sa Switzerland!
Yes!
So I am half Swiss, but no sprachen Sie Deutsch. Pero Tagalog marunong. Yan. But I'm so excited for today, Eunice, because we have some very special performers that are joining us today. We have a full lineup. And also, we would like to continue enjoying the performances. Please, everybody, support our vendors today. I have yet to try the halo-halo. There's halo-halo here, right?
Oh, yes, they have. We
And-
have right over there po, meron doon.
Yes. And it's okay. You can stay in the shade kasi alam mo naman tayong mga Pilipino.
We
Namamawi sa
love the sun,
kilikili.
Filipino.
Yes!
Ayan. Okay, so we have a fantastic afternoon ahead of us, don't we?
Yes, we do. We've started already, Miss G.
Yay!
Siyempre, nandiyan ka na.
Yes! I'm also wearing pampinay.
Yay!
Yes. Ang cute
Nice.
niya, di ba?
Yes,
Ang
very
cute ni
good.
Miss G.
Pabagets.
Yeah, no.
Kasi
You're-
mainit.
Yes.
Namamawis ang singit.
Perfect.
All right. Well, I'm so happy to be here today. We're going to continue playing some music. And then later on, we have some very, very special performances for all of you. I'm very happy and excited that my family from Los Angeles is joining us today.
Yes.
The premier Philippine folk arts group,
Wow.
Kayamanan ng Lahi, will be here. And
Wow.
if you are interested in learning more about Philippine cultural dances, I suggest that you sign up for their workshop. They have a workshop tomorrow at 10 a.m. You just have to call Miss Ira or see me so I can give you some information about their workshop tomorrow. Para matuto naman kayo at yung mga anak nyo na mag